Good evening, sir. So good to have you here. How are you feeling coming back to the campus after so long?
Very nostalgic, to be honest. I came here, I passed out in 2011, 13 years, after 13 years, long years I've been here, feeling fresh.
Yeah, it's just like exile. 14 years
Yeah, and nothing has changed. Infrastructurally, I mean, my faculties also, I was very happy to see Gagan sir, Ajab Singh, all those, all these people, been, 13 years of old memories. It's a good journey. It was a good journey.
On the basis of the curriculum, what changes do you observe? Like you have interacted with the students today. So what are the changes you have seen today and what good are they adding to the students currently?
I think from then to now, there are a lot of interactions that this college is now doing. Industry experts calling them to the center is something which was not that common that time. Though we were into OJTs, on-job trainings and other stuff, but calling the alumni of the same college who have experience in the same industry is something which is incredible and could really bring them up together is a commendable job, which this college is now, is carrying it really, really nicely.
So you mentioned about the industry and you are operating in the industry for so long, quite long. And so what are the potential that you see in the real estate industry, right? So what are the potential that student can exploit and they must have to look forward?
I work in retail real estate and both the industries are growing. Retail right now is, I guess, 20% organized. So we have 5x time of, we can grow 5x, right? Real estate, India is developing this country, right? Every now and then you see new buildings coming up. Every now and then you see retail coming up. Retail is a therapy, as I said. Shopping is a therapy. Everybody wants to just, offload their tension by doing shopping, right? So retail is going to grow eventually. So I feel retail real estate put together has a very good future in the Indian market. We will be closer to 1 trillion GDP and retailers daily, and though we are not calling ourselves as industry, but we're sure that we'll be going really near to that in near future.
What gives you that kick to just go dig deep into this industry?
Just be at it in wherever industry you are in. If you're finding it comfortable for you, if you're finding it interesting, just go deep into that. Then it will only interest you to go up the ladder. As you go up the pyramid, you feel that challenges. You feel that you're contributing to the industry, contributing to whatever job you're doing, right? And at a larger level to the industry.
It just keep you going, right?
Yes.
And what are the skill set that you see while interacting with the new folks? Like what they need to consider going forward?
First and the foremost is the confidence. Whatever you do, confidence is something that have. Then be content driven. Whatever you are at it, just have the content of whatever you are studying, whatever you are discussing. Have knowledge of that. If you have knowledge of that, half of the battle is done. Then you can provide your inputs, and those inputs will eventually boost your confidence. That is important. So personality, of course, communication skills, content about the subject is very, very important. And be disciplined, of course.
And what are your suggestions, because you have been there in the industry operating for so long, so what are your suggestions for the management students going forward that they can work upon and look forward to those roles?
Again, as I said, work on your skill sets, work on your overall personality. As soon as you enter any job interview, right, half of the job is done when you look smart, when you look confident, when you talk to the person eye to eye. That's important. Half the job is done then. Of course, your content, as I mentioned, I'm a big fan of content. So whatever discussion that you have, you be thorough on that. people should know that they're talking to an intelligent person, not somebody who's just looking around. So that's what is the matter. It's very important.
I'm very happy to have interacted with you, and
Thank you.
so I'm thankful to have your time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best to you.
Thank you.